Hello to the wonderful people of 18.2 Club. My name is Gokul. I'm a freelance MC, anchor, entertainer. So I'm here to answer a question that was directed to me from the 18.2 forum. So the question is, how do you overcome stage fright and learn the skill of public speaking? Now, this probably is the oldest question and the most frequently asked question, which is relevant to this day and which will continue to be relevant for the coming days as well. And a lot of people have answered this question in multiple different ways, but still, this continues to be the most frequently asked question. And I'm going to try and answer this question in my own way, right? So, guys, the only way to overcome stage fear is by getting onto the stage as many times as possible and facing that fear. There is no magic there. You have to be on stage as many times as possible to get rid of that fear. You can read 10 books about how to master public speaking. You can read 10 books about how to be a confident speaker on stage, but nothing is going to help you as much as getting onto the stage for 10 times. So that is the best way and the only way that you can overcome the stage fear. Now, when I say stage, I don't necessarily mean these big stage or big audience. Every opportunity you get to speak in front of people, it could be 5 people or 500 people, but every opportunity you get is a stage. So grab as many opportunities as you can and perform as many times as you can to get rid of stage fear. Now you might ask me, Gokul, I don't have enough opportunities. Create your own opportunities. Like I said, there is no big or small audience. Just call your mom, dad, sister, uncle, aunt, tell them to sit in front of you and perform for them. Deliver a speech to them. You know, they might laugh at you, they might mock at you, it becomes really awkward for you, I understand. But trust me, that'll be the toughest audience you'll ever perform for. And if you crack that, if you're able to grab the attention of that audience, trust me, you are already a winner. So create such opportunities. You might go out with your friends to a bar or a pub or a restaurant. Just get up, ting, ting, ting. Guys, I have to make an announcement. Boom, you have 10 eyes on you. You have 20 eyes from other people on you. You have a stage, you have an audience. Perform. Of course you will suck. Of course you will be bad for the first few times. But trust me, every time you get up there, you will be better than your previous time. You will be more confident than your previous time. So keep doing it. So that is my first tip to get rid of stage fear. And my second tip is reach the venue early. Be at least 2 hours early to the event. Get onto that stage. Walk around that stage, get a feel of the stage, smell the stage. It might sound stupid, but this works. Just look at the empty chairs. Imagine there is audience. Imagine there is crowd. Imagine there is people watching you. Imagine you delivering that speech. Imagine people cheering for you. You know, get those pictures into your head. Have a nice visual in your head and keep that visual running in your head until the event starts. Now, how this helps is you're already confident before even getting onto the stage because you're already comfortable with that space. You know, when you walk into a very new place, you have that nervousness. But when you walk into a familiar place, you won't have that nervousness. So slowly that nervousness will convert itself into excitement. So you will be excited before the event. So these are the 2 tips I wanted to give you. Number 1, get yourself as many stages as you can and keep performing. And number 2 is reach the event early, reach the venue early and get comfortable with the space where you will be performing in. So I really hope this helps. If it does, thank you so much. And if you want to talk more about this, please feel free to DM me. My Instagram handle is Gokul_MCG. Thank you so much.